Howdy folks, Isaac Martinez here with Blake Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland. We are behind the wheel of a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this one actually comes equipped with the adaptive cruise control. And I was just going to jump on here real quickly and show you guys how to set that up. So the adaptive cruise control buttons will be right next to the standard cruise control buttons on the right hand of the wheel. The adaptive will actually be the ones on the left. To simply turn it on, get up to your designated speed, to on, and you are good to go. And it'll actually tell you what your cruise control is, and with the top button you can actually make the distance between you and the car in front of you greater, or with the bottom button it'll actually allow you to get a lot closer to the vehicle. So with your adaptive cruise control, it's a little bit different than your standard cruise control. With the adaptive cruise control, if the vehicle in front of you is going at a slower speed than what you have set, the vehicle will actually slow itself down, and then once either you or the vehicle in front of you move over, it'll actually speed up to the predetermined speed limit. So there's just a quick little how-to and a little informative on the adaptive cruise control. If you guys have any other questions, you can feel free to give me a call at 254-434-7212, or you can always stop on by 9610 Interstate Highway 20 there in Eastland, and we'd be happy to help out. Thank you guys so much.